Yo, what up? What up? Hope you guys are doing well. Don't mind me. Don't mind me. I'm just getting my shit together over here. So, anyway, I'm just trying to sort myself out. All right. Let's turn the screen sharing on. All right. So, a couple of things I did that I fucked up because I'm an idiot. Here's three of them. I did this morning, and I was up. I think I was up as much as $600, and I think I was up in realized gains like 400, and then I fucking gave it all back, which was I gave back what 400 on Friday, on these trade days they were I don't know less than $900 away from being fucking passed, and I fucking blew them today. And that wasn't the first account I blew, but I'm annoyed about these because they were almost there. Fucking pisses me off. And I fucking where it was too. I'll show you where it was. It was in this area right here. And this right here was a 786 bounce, like a fucking perfect 786 bounce. All I had to do was either ride short, but really just wait longer. Wait fucking longer. And I didn't. So I blew those fucking accounts. Look at these, though. No, I didn't trade them, but I have all my drawdown. But 5 pro accounts. By the way, Take Profit Trader is ending today. Allegedly. I haven't seen anything that says that they're not ending today. Let me just double check my email right now. Question about the flat. Oh, that's fucking old. Yeah, no new emails from Take Profit Trader. Oh wait, flash sale ends tonight. This was this morning. 50% off, no activation fee. That's the best deal they've ever offered in terms of the discount and no activation fee. All in with a funded Take Profit Trader account for as little as $75 with day one payout potential and daily payout potential. Ends tonight. 11:59 p.m. specific time. So 3 a.m. Eastern time. Use the best fucking code 0DayJ. So yeah, I'm annoyed about the fucking trade days. And then I also blew my one of my funded buy funded futures rapids that I got a couple of payouts on. And I was green on that fucker. I was fucking annoyed about this too. And of course, it's always the same fucking thing. Again, I showed you guys this shit all the time. It's always the same fucking thing. It's this. This is where it blew. Right here. I got in here. I lost a bunch here, and then I lost the rest of it here. And then look what happens. Look, you see it curls up, and then look where it goes now. It went up like 80 points. You know how fucking annoying that is? But with that said, I did manage to take my other 50K rapid. Not only did I manage to take it over the buffer, but I also put it into payout land because you need a minimum $500 over the buffer to request a payout. I did that. So I'm going to be requesting $618 today from this account. Woohoo! Another fucking payout. And then this account was the Bob the Builder account that I fucked the other day after being up as much as $1,000. I fucked it up and was down to like a little over $400 of available drawdown. Well, I basically resuscitated the fuck out of this account. It's almost back to break even because I started with $1,500 of drawdown. And then this is the other one, the 25K rapid. You know what's fucked up? I was short. Where is it? Well, I took this short, but then I had another short order right here, right at the 786. It didn't get filled. It missed getting filled by like 6 points, and I didn't chase. And then I ran out. I had to run to the post office. But look what it did. I came within. Obviously, if I would have gotten filled, I wouldn't have left. But it came within five or 6 points of filling me. The order was at 30,000. 30,066.50. That's where the order was. It came up to 30,060. So 6 points. And then it dropped fucking 55 points. And I just had an order for one mini. I would have locked it right there. But I am up 165. I want to see if I could get this fucker. See if I could get that shit fucking over, get this shit into payout land as well. So that's where I'm at. I have not bought Lucid yet. I basically am punishing myself. I will get some Lucids later on tonight or something. But I don't know. I just want to stop the habit of fucking blowing accounts, and as soon as I blow them, getting new ones. Although I'm probably gonna get new trade days before today ends, and at least get a flip day in. But I don't know. For whatever reason with Lucid, I've been like getting halfway up and then fucking it up. But I feel like if I finally get a funded Lucid account, I think I'll do okay, considering I am back in the world of getting payouts. I am back in payout land, habitual fucking payout land. Anyway, who the fuck is out here? Sorry, chat. Who we got here? We got Susan, Kenny, Benjamin, Renee Bleh, Terp J, Dips and Peaks, iTrade, Isaac, AS, Amili, Andy, Jono, Keegan, Just My Style, GB, Slick Rick, The Ruler, Maximus, Carbonite, V33, Roro, Muggs. Yeah. This is the most hated pump. Bowser, TJP, I think I said what up. Chad H. But what up again, TJP? Logan, GCTA. Yeah, 5 Take Profit Trader Pros. Let's see if I can fucking do something cool with them. Alfred, yeah. Thank you, bro. That was Alfred's thumbnail. I just added the whole streaming live shit. Alfred, I appreciate it. Alfred. Chase, Marcine, Micah. Nice fucking $10,000 day today, bro, in your TPT Pro. Fucking beast. What a fucking beast. Tony Gold. 8,800. Bro. Hey, bro. I get it. John Q, what up? Maybe PW will give away some Lucids. Yeah. I can tell you one thing. I won't be fucking putting my name in that hat. Ms. Goody. Jack Rudoti. Kevin Tobias. Ash. Soccer Dad. Hope all is well with you, too. Smokey the Soccer Dad. Very cool. I remember seeing you before, though. Oh, it's Ali 415. That's why. There we go. What up? Canute, Jack Boom, TJP. I think I said what's up to TJP 3 fucking times now. Hey, Foster. Gary BB. Any forklift positions open? Yeah, mine is vacant. iTrade. Bowser, El Sweet, Pika Nasharika. Rick. Colby. This fucking price action, man. This is a nice spot. Let's look here. So low, high. Oh wait, I did it backwards. Fuck! Well, we could do it this way. That was a 786 right there. What a fucking bounce. Now, high to low. Oh, it's fucking rejected. Same area. Right? Oh, we're just about at the 786. This is the all-time high right here. We got to 30,118. Gold doesn't look great. Although gold did bounce off the 786 here. This is the daily chart. Fuck. Let me get a little smaller here. Chat. Gold's in an interesting spot too. Fuck. Right at the 786. I wasn't around for that. What a bounce. You know what's funny about gold? It doesn't matter because like I wasn't in heavy. I couldn't get in as much as I wanted to. I was in a fucking gold short. Talk about what account was that? It was the this one. Right here. I got in gold short. I got in short with gold at 44.25.2, and I took it for 30 fucking ticks. It went down another fucking 400 ticks. What a great hold. What a great job holding that shit. Well, whatever. I'm requesting a payout later. The problem with my fund of futures in gold is you can only trade 5 micros. And I was taking partial fills, and I only got filled in 2. I didn't just full port. I don't consider 5 micros full porting anyway, but that's the most you could trade. Trading stock, what up? Any news on Apex Live? I don't know. I haven't even paid attention. Holy Earth, what up? Hold on a sec. Yeah, I haven't really paid attention. To be honest with you. The last thing I heard was I'm waiting for someone to reach out to me personally to talk to me about my account or whatever, when I get whatever my account's going to be. Until then, I don't really give a fuck about the fucking, the whatchamacallit, or like the shit that everybody sees. I don't care. Let me know when I'm getting my account, and then I'll pay attention. You know what I'm saying? Am I an asshole for that? I don't know. I don't think so. I don't give a fuck about all this filler bullshit. Let me know when I can trade my fucking account. That's all I give a fuck about. Use my code 0DayJ for 90% off. I'm just saying, I'm not even mad about it. I don't care. I just don't fucking care. I got other accounts to trade. I don't give a fuck about the webinar and a fucking email or a video from Darrell. I don't care. I had live accounts before. I know how it fucking works. I know how it works, all right? I had one live account, but I did it. I had a live trade day account. Reach out to me. Let me know what you need for me to set up the live account, and I'll be fucking waiting. Until then, I really don't fucking care. Nine to 5, what up? What made me get in there on gold? It was a 707. I think this was it right here. Yeah. 707 rejection. The problem is I didn't hold long enough. I got tired of, I was actually down like $400 or $500 in this account at one point. Actually, you know what's crazy? I went down to like $200 worth of drawdown today in this fucking thing. After being over the buffer a couple of times. I almost fucking blew this fucker. But anyway, so we had this high, this low. We had a 707 right here, rejection. And it fucking played out bigly. But I don't want to trade gold now because it's not going to give me what I need. I want to trade the NQ. I might even trade crude. I don't know. Crude's kind of fucking dicking around right now. This is crude right now. Although crude is up, crude's range is like 5%. Catboy, Nayo, what's up? Fallacy, what up, man? Jake, yo, I hope that answered your question. I don't know if it really did. I trade the fibs. It was a good spot. It was something I like. The reason I only got filled in 2 is because it only filled me on the 2 I had the order in at that spot. I had another order higher up. I had another order up here at the 786. I only got filled with 2 here. But even with 2 of 400 fucking, let's see how many ticks it went from that. 256, 456 ticks. I mean, with 2 micros, you could have made $900 if you caught that whole move. And you could hold longer, but I'm just, I don't know. It's something I'm working on, learning how to hold longer. In all aspects of life. Tim Morgan. I'm able to hold just long enough. You know what I mean? Holy Earth, what up? I think I said what up to you, but what up again? Sanyel. No, you're gonna get your live account. If you were graduated to live, you're gonna get a live account. I'm just not, it doesn't matter to me until I have it. I don't fucking care. Sean, what up? Haven't seen you in a while. Hanging out with other streamers. Hope you're doing well, man. Tim Morgan. Yeah, I'm doing okay. Just ain't right. Mwah. Looking green in this account. I did blow one of my funded accounts, and I did blow 3 trade day accounts. And I still have yet to activate my Bullinoxes. Just ain't right. GMAT. Anthony Marquez. You guys know what I'm saying, though? I'm not mad at Apex. It's whatever. I'm fine. I'm at peace with that. It's okay that other YouTubers can trade with 20 PAs. They're even more profitable than I am. It's okay. It's just I don't know if they've ever gone on a run or recently went on the type of run that I went on, and that's why they're still able to. Or maybe because they like them better. I don't fucking know. I don't even care. I think I got flagged because I went on a fucking crazy run where I literally I got $93,000 worth of payouts in a span of like fucking 3.5 months. And I think that had a lot to do with it. You see, guys, I'm kind of annoyed about this. I don't know what what are we doing? We waiting on some fucking news here? Prolonged Iran war could spur a series of I thought the war was ending. I thought we were fucking gonna have a peace deal. Israeli army issues a warning to evacuate whatever the Jebediah Springfield village in southern Lebanon. These fucking scumbag fucks. They can't just leave shit alone. Oh, Trump is holding a phone call with his fucking master. Great. I'm sure that's going to go well. Fucking Bibi's just going to tell him to shut his fucking mouth and do what I fucking say. Let's just be fucking real. 25 oil tankers, container ships, and other commercial vessels passed through the Strait of Hormuz today with permission from Iran. With permission from Iran in the past 24 hours. They're just going to, dude, this... Israel's like, fuck, I want that war. I don't want that war to end. Let me start bombing Lebanon. Fucking pieces of shit. Why? Taking control of strategic areas just to turn it into the Gaza Strip. They're literally the biggest fucking scumbags. That's just my opinion. That's just my opinion, okay? This is for entertainment purposes only. Results not typical. Use code 0DayJ. Gene Matt. Golf Guy Mike. Where's the red room? Oh, I was in my, yesterday I was streaming from my, I was streaming in my sauna. The sauna wasn't on, but I had the infrared light on. So I looked red. I was red as, I was red. So Alfred made a fucking thumbnail for me about, around that theme. And I just added something about, making it a live stream. This was the original right here. That was the original. And I just said, hey, chat GPT, add this day trading futures live shit. Is that what I look like? That's fucking funny, bro. Damn. If I kept that order there, I mean, I had to cancel it. I have a feeling we're going to push higher. I don't know. Are we going to make new highs? We're going to make another new all-time high? Dream Chaser. You just got unbanned by Apex. That's great. Now you can trade with them again. I think people that are getting unbanned, they have limitations on. I don't think that you could trade end-of-day accounts. From what I've seen, I think you could only trade intraday. That's what I've seen. But I could be wrong. TJP. You know what I like? If you could hold long enough, man, it just depends. You know how it is, man. Especially with all this shit being so news fucking driven. If you could hold, if I could hold to the 618 the other way, that's like money. But I don't know. Maybe take partials. Would I have gotten filled here? No. I still wouldn't have gotten filled. Oh, maybe. Maybe. I don't know. I feel like this is going to push higher. Holding fucking hell on the phone with Bibby. Yes, sir. That's all he's going to be saying. Yes, sir. Yes, boss. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let's be fucking real. TJP, you, me, and so many other people. We don't hold the winners. We don't hold the bangers as long as we need to, but we'll hold the fucking loser until the account's blown, won't we? Cincinnati Kid, what up? Raphael, your mileage may vary. Marcin, cut. Looks like Heisenberg. I should start streaming at 2:30. I know. I've been wanting to. It's just my mom's here. Even when she's not here, I don't get on. But my mom's here, and I'm fucking, she's leaving tomorrow morning. So trying to spend some quality time with her. I don't know, she's 80. She's going to be 84. She's good, but, 360, what up? Am I going to the hockey game tonight? No. How about those Knicks, though? How about those Knicks? Fuck Trae Young. Josh, what up? She does have them good Sicilian genes. She does. Bowser, it's true, man. It's fucking so annoying. It's like Rips said, how Rips feels about his entire audience, including his paying customers. That's how I feel about holding losing trades for too long. They're so fucking annoying. How old am I? I'll be 47 in September. Emil, yeah, I'm live with Apex. I just don't have my account yet. Let me check my email, see if I actually got anything. You know what else I got to do? I forgot. I have 2 free. I got to activate my free fucking rapid evals. Epoch News. I ran Supreme Leader. Who the fuck calls himself a Supreme Leader? Oh my God. What am I watching? Fucking Star Wars? This is why I'm glad I didn't fucking try to take this trade. Although maybe it's going to drop now. Who the fuck knows? I am the Supreme Leader. Shut the fuck up. Apex. Let's see if I get any emails from Apex about my fucking. No, the last. Nah. The last email I got from Apex was about the webinar about the live accounts. So I have no new updates regarding that. Apex Live roundtable discussion. I missed that one. Sorry. I had other plans. Sorry, chat. This is fucking why. Like that's a 30-point bounce right there. You see, guys? You see? Oh. Coach Fred. Ron here. Autumn, what up? Carlos. Yeah, there's no official release. My wife? Yeah. Facts, bro. Strong Island in a house. I literally grew up one town outside of Queens. So my town was called Valley Stream, Everybody, not everybody, but a lot of fucking people called it Valley Queens. Nathaniel, what up? I don't know how it works, bro. I don't know anything. I don't know anything, bro. I wouldn't even worry about it until you run into that situation. As soon as I know how it works, when I get my actual account, I'll let you know. I'll let everybody know. Sanyel. Stock cars and bets. What up? On wealth charts. Coach Fred, was it on the webinar? It was, but I think they were waiting to see what kind of feedback they got. And I don't know if it was positive. I did see something about getting like $3,000 worth of drawdown. I don't fucking know. But I don't know what it's going to be. Emil, it should be uncapped with a live account, right? It's like having a personal account. You're not taking the money from Apex, you're taking the money from the market. Adam, what up? I'm just annoyed about fucking blowing my trade day evals after being up like as much as $600. Can you get in a trade? Really? You want to fade me, Ron? All right, cool. I'll let you know. How about the show King of Queens? I mean, whatever. That was okay. I think Ron's just trolling. Too bad you didn't fade me on these, bro. You'd be down a fuck ton. What up, Mob Barley? Yeah, there's a nice tan line right here. I could probably expand it even further. I fucking dare anyone to fade me. Go ahead. Fucking fade me. Fucking fade me. Well, we'll just do this here. Yeah. Tyler. Carrie was great. Coach Fred, you were $16. I mean, I didn't get that close. $16 away. That's awful, man. I hate when that shit happens. Yeah, I'm getting another payout. Fuck yeah. Right here, bro. I'm taking $618. I want to get this one up a little bit. If I could get this one up another $335, I'll take a payout on this one. It'll be my third on this one. I guess this was the move, the bounce off of this tan line. Yeah, Sanyel. Yeah, there's like some in-between account. Ron, you didn't tail me on these. You weren't even. I did this off stream. Mars. Yeah, they're two of them are rapids. 50K rapid, 25K rapid, and this is the Bob the Builder plan, which was in big trouble, but I got it out of trouble. I'm almost at break even. This is gonna fucking push higher. Fuck, man. Fuck. Last thing was said was prolonged Iran war from some jerk off. Carry your cash away. Spurs are going to win it all. Very possible. Very possible. I fucking hate the Thunder. But I wouldn't rather play either one of them as a Knicks fan. You know what was funny? You had these dumb fucks saying that the fucking Cavs were going to come back. The Cavs fucking booked their trip after going down 2-0. They booked their vacation. Where's the button? Yo, the Cavs are a fucking embarrassment. You know why? Because they traded for fucking Harden. That guy's a fucking loser. Did I see Trump's new tweet? No. I don't know, man. Obviously I want the Knicks to win, but fucking Wemby's the Spurs are good. And the OKC is good too. And OKC, they just throw themselves on the floor. They literally throw themselves on the floor on every fucking shot they take in the game, knowing they're going to get a foul called for them. They're the biggest fucking floppers in the fucking world. I hate them. Harden, I still thought we were the better team. Shut the fuck up. Yeah, Harden. The guy, first of all, I mean, he's a nice player, but he's washed. He's past his prime, and he's a fucking proven loser. Guy never won anything anywhere. Marcos, what up? Wemby's no fucking joke, man. But like SGA is really good too. But at the same time, he gets all the fucking calls. Jaylen Brown was doing the same shit SGA does, but getting called for offensive fouls. Yeah, the Spurs are good. The Knicks are good too. I just didn't think the Knicks were this good. Like I talked so much shit about Mike Brown. I take it all back. I apologize to Mike Brown. I never thought he was going to take him this far. Maybe now firing Tibbs after taking him to the Eastern Conference Finals 2 years in a row, I think. Or no, they went to the semis and then they went to the Eastern Conference Finals and lost. They fired his ass, and then Mike Brown takes him to the fucking championship, takes him to the finals. That's a fucking brilliant, genius fucking move by Leon Rose. I just don't like when people start talking about how like he's an all-time great guard because he won a couple of MVPs in a row. He shouldn't even be the MVP this year. They're saying he's not better than Curry. He's not better than Curry. People forget like about these guys. Is he a top guard in the league? Yeah. Those guys fucking play dirty and they throw themselves all over the floor. I can send you a video of this guy, Mike Dadino. He literally had a fucking short of all the times they fucking threw themselves on the ground after taking a shot. In one game. It was like 50 fucking times. Big time floppers. Yeah, Bobby Digital. Yeah, this game's a fucking joke. You could fucking take 5 steps. You could take 5 steps and not get called for a travel. You fucking go anywhere near it. You could go anywhere. I thought they were supposed to be finding people for flopping. These motherfuckers flop everywhere. Why would I catch 10 points? I don't give a fuck about 10 points. I don't give a fuck about 10 points. I'm waiting for something better if we're going to get anything better. I think we're going to, I don't know. If we can't get over this little cuck zone right here, I think we're going to fuck. If we could get past this shit, I think we're going to make new highs. I just don't want to take a trade based on that. Investors, what up? Yeah, big time carrying, all that shit. It's just like guys fucking talk shit about Kobe because he's fucking, the guy's not even alive anymore or wherever he is. I think he may have, Myles Garrett is Kobe, but that's besides the point. But like Kobe is dead. And now they throw so much dirt on his name. They shouldn't even be talking about Jordan and LeBron. You can't talk about Jordan and LeBron without realizing that Kobe was better than LeBron. Always. Yeah, Wild J. Yeah, the gather step, all this bullshit now. It's such a fucking joke, the league. That's why I care because I'm a Knicks fan, but like, I don't know. These guys, some of these guys, even like the Donovan Mitchell, all these guys do that weird step back. It's a fucking travel. Rick. Investors, yeah. I need more than 10 points. What am I gonna do? What 10 points? Ron's just trying to troll me. That's fine. Ron's in a mood today. He wants to fucking troll me. That's cool. But like, I don't know. I don't trust any of this shit. There's gonna be a fucking headline. Kobe rapist? I don't think that even happened. I don't think that happened. The problem with Kobe was he didn't make her sign a love contract. Jokic is a great player. Definitely like a top fucking 5 center ever. But like you guys forget, like people forget how good like fucking Olajuwon was. Olajuwon was fucking amazing. All right, see, this is right here. This is what I'm worried about. This right here, that level. I think it's going to break through. Lanto doesn't agree with me on LeBron. Yeah, of course. Yeah, fucking Lanto, fucking clown. Isaiah Thomas, really? Piston Isaiah Thomas. I mean, he was great, but I don't know. I don't know. Over LeBron, probably. I just hate LeBron. I just don't like he's good, but I just don't like his antics. I don't like the way he carries himself. He cries about fucking everything. He's a flopper. He fucking got so many fucking calls just pretending to get hit. Fuck that. I'll take Larry Bird over all of those guys. Except for maybe Kobe. They're interchangeable. I would take fucking Larry Bird over those motherfuckers. Was Epstein involved with Macaulay Culkin? Probably. Kobe, like, people forget how fucking good Kobe was. Guy was a fucking assassin. And they forget, like, oh, he was Robin to fucking Superman Shaq. Let's not forget how many times Shaq would foul out of games or would be hurt in the playoffs or whatever, and fucking Kobe would come in and just carry the fucking team to a comeback win. Kobe did it, not Shaq. See, look, this is what I was worried about. This is what I was worried about. I need more coffee. Yeah, total psychopath. See, this right here. This is the area. What's Crew doing? You know, as much as I want to trade my Take Private Trader Pros, like, I just want to see if I could catch something on these on this one My Funded Futures account to get another fucking payout. That's it. That's all I fucking care about. That's what I want. Big tick. Are you serious? That's fucking crazy, bro. That's amazing. That must have been the most fucking amazing experience in your life. One of the most amazing experiences, except for maybe like giving, you know, if you have a kid watching your wife give birth or whatever, or your girlfriend or whatever. LeBron is just his game is. I'm like he's an all-time great. He's just there's so many guys I'd rather have on my team than him. I'd rather have prime Kawhi. I'd rather have prime Curry. Larry, I would rather have fucking Larry Legend over all of them. See, like I like this right here. Like, I think this is gonna just suck people into shorts and then it's gonna pop up. I'm just worried about that. You went to Magic Johnson basketball camp, no doubt. That's fucking cool. See, what did I say? What did I say? That's why I was like, that's why I stayed away. I mean, will it drop now? Maybe. Remember, I don't have a lot of drawdown on this account either. I only have $1,166 of drawdown, and I go into intraday trailing when I get under 1,100. I'm only $66 over the buffer. Damn. 12, 19, 20 points. AS. Yo, I love Kyrie. Kyrie is like one of my favorite players of all time. Personal favorite. AS. I like Jaylen Brown a lot too, even though I hate the fucking Celtics. Stephen Cox. Dave Stockton. Dave Stockton. Did you do that on purpose? Yo, what up, Robert Gallis? That was a nice little drop here. 24 points. I don't know, man. I just don't fucking trust this shit. You also got to remember, guys, we're at all-time highs. We just went over 30,000. I don't trust, like, it's hard to trade at all-time highs. Ron, I'll trade when I'm good and fucking ready, bro. I might not take a trade. If anyone wants to leave because I don't want to take a trade, then get the fuck out of here. Stock cars and bets. Kobe was not refined enough? That guy's game was perfect. He had no fucking weaknesses. Brian Scalabrine. Doesn't he have like a channel or something where he plays against like he challenges anybody and he just wins no matter who it is? Eric J, what up? Yeah, Muggsy was good too. I should just take a trade because someone wants me to take a trade in the chat. We went from 129 people to 116. Good. Anybody else want to get the fuck out of here? Good. Get the fuck out of here. Like I give a fuck. I'll take a trade when I see something I want to take. Gian Rich. The closest thing to Jordan was Kobe. Jordan, like, 6 championship Jordan. When he started, when he got masterful with his fadeaway and all that shit. That's what Kobe modeled this whole game after. Bobby did, yeah. I mean, he was the closest thing, and he wasn't afraid of him. Everybody else feared him. The rules never said it's a travel when you step. It's not how it's. Somebody's like the James Harden step back is a fucking travel. My mother, she might come up here and put soap in my mouth. I need more coffee. This is what I was worried about. I don't know. Like, it went higher. Look, I'm worried. This is what I don't want to fuck with this. And like, it's like, how do I go long around here? How do you go long here? With an account that only has which is just over the buffer. I mean, I would have gotten what I needed. That's fucking 25 points. Easy long route on the EMAs. Nope. You're better than me, Ron. Roger Adams, what up? I don't trust EMAs. I don't trust anything. I used to take trades just based on the 34s. I don't trust that shit. You had some nice confluence here, though. You had the 34 EMA and the fucking upper the VWAP band, if that's even the right spot. No, it wasn't. See, it's not even the right fucking spot. I don't trust any of this shit. $20 seconds. Are we retesting the all-time high? Your trade day funders aren't loading? Chad, no, I didn't. I know about that, though. Look, see, look. I don't trust this shit. Sketchy as fuck. Gold just kept going. 801. 283 ticks. So this is an interesting like retest of the high. I could draw another fucking tan line here too, which is interesting. Look, we bounce off of here. We might bounce. We're close to it here. Yeah, I was planning on making a video cut about it. I've done it before. I think I did make a video. I might have a video somewhere that I fucking forgot to upload. See, now we're breaking this tan line. I still don't fucking trust it. We could easily come back up. See, I just have no fucking trust right now where we're at. I'm waiting for a fucking headline too. Kind of an uneventful MOC if you think about it. The MOC range is 83. Not even 30 points. I'm not green in the account. I'm red by 180 bucks. You start with 1,500. I got the one that you start with $1,500 of drawdown. Well, I guess it wants to go lower. It did break this tan line here. Well, oh well. Oh well. Went down another 20 points. That would have been enough. I know, yeah. Very weak. I don't know. We did break this tan line here. I didn't take it straight. I don't give a fuck. TTA. And some ICT shit. I don't give a fuck what the fuck whatever that shit says. This is not a good idea to go short right here. It worked out for whoever took it. God bless you. God bless. But I mean, you're literally fucking 6 points from the all-time high that just happened earlier in the day. It's fucking risky as fuck. Guess what happened to my account? Nothing. I didn't lose any money. No, Ron, no long off of the 38.2% line. Thanks, though. Appreciate the suggestion. I hope you didn't take it. You should have taken it. Yeah, Holy Earth, exactly. I'm just fucking chilling, like whatever. I want to trade, but I mean, this would have been a good spot. I just didn't trust it. We were going into the close. This could have easily just popped right back up and fucked me. That right there, that's a fucking just about a 786 with this low. But also, it's bouncing off. It bounced off of like this fucking spot and this cuck zone right here. It's like shut like a fucking area of support. I don't know. Whatever. Sorry, chat. Sorry, chat. Yeah, I don't even have that much time. Adam, I do trade gold. It's the issue with gold is I can only trade five fucking micros. Nice fucking move though. 300-point move from this bounce. T. Charles, what's good? Chrisin, what's good? Holy Earth, they're coming from some other stream. Definitely hanging out with other streamers. That's fine. There are much better traders out there than me. I can tell you that much. Yeah, stock cards. I don't know. I'm not fucking around right now. It might go lower. I got an order right here at 46.75. Could have fucking shorted right here though. But I did say like I was worried about during MOC that it was gonna fucking pop and go higher, and that's exactly what it did. It just missed sweeping the fucking all-time high and the high a day. Hanging out with Rips. Roger Adams, that's just my fund. The futures, you know, all these prop firms limited, it's all metals. It's not just gold, it's all metals. It used to be even less, but they let you trade as many as 5 micros on gold or any metals for that matter. Crude, that was the fucking play. That was a nice drop on crude. Stephen Cox, I appreciate it. Amari was great. He was one of my favorite. He's one of my favorite Knicks of all time because he came here when nobody else wanted to. Yeah, I'm running out of time for this account. Whatever. I'm getting paid on this one. Micron went up 19%. Look at all this bullshit. I mean, that was a 70-point move right there. 70 points off that tan line bounce. Well, it wasn't even really a tan line bounce. That was a new tan line, but off of just burst, pop out of this fucking level. But now we're down 26, 27 points, falling out of this fucking tan line, out of this trend line. Just say AI, yeah, full tilt, facts. I should do a thumbnail with AI. Yeah. People are so enamored by it. I mean, now that I utilize it, I get it. Oh yeah, stock cards and bets. Yep. Motherfucker, man. I wanted to take this to a fucking payout. This was my only chance right here. Maybe this bounce, I guess, but I wasn't fucking trading that. Ain't happening. I blew it. Whatever. I'm getting a payout here. I'm getting fucking paid regardless. They're just chilling in there.
I think they're on the lunch.
Did they do the second tree yet?
Yeah.
Oh shit, they got it down.
Yeah.
Well, that's good news. Oh, I'm sorry. You still wiping over here? Yeah, all right, well, this ain't happening here. Out of time. Good thing I didn't listen to anybody. Not going to say names, suggesting to go along here. But definitely missed some opportunities, that's for sure. I do like the spot. 38, 29. Let's see. What was the order?
You met him on Monday. Your brother was murdered, and 2 days later Frank shows up again after you won the range.
All right. Orders are in. Oh, sorry, bro. I'm sorry. I didn't know it was on you. Damn. Just stepped on my door. You okay? But what happened? Come here. Okay, buddy.
I don't want to have to get a court order stopping the marriage. When he's hurt, so you go ahead with it. I'm doing this to protect you.
1 sec, guys. Barbie, come here.
Hi. Okay. That's your friend.
We're getting a couple of trees cut down in the backyard. Couple of evergreens. Couple of evergreens. They not evergreens, they're pine trees. They're pine trees. The issue is, I mean, they're beautiful trees, but the issue is every time the wind blows here, every time the wind blows, fucking pine needles fall off the tree and blow into the pool. And it's windy here a lot. Like it gets to the point where like the buds and the pine trees, the buds that are on the pine needles and shit like that, they fill up the skimmer. The skimmer gets like clogged, but they're all the pine needles are all over the fucking pool. So I'm cutting those fuckers down. Well, I'm not. They're here doing it. They're like 50 feet tall. Not only do they fall into my pool, but I'm sure they're falling into my neighbor's pools, like behind my yard and shit. The Catalina wine mixer. Cajun. Your dog heard my dog is barking now? MKC. Oh my God, full tilt. I mean, who would have thought? What's MU at now? Hold on. MU. What the fuck? I remember when MU was trading at 60. That's fucking insane. I used to trade MU fucking options. Fucking kill me. Josh, does my pool guy come weekly? Yeah. And I feel awful. When it's like super windy, I'll go out there and clean as much of it as I can. So he doesn't have to clean all of it. There's been a couple of times when I couldn't get out there in time. Look at this shit drop. I fucking knew it. There's my blown trade days. Cool. Cool. Remember, Take Profit Trader, 50% off, no activation fee, ends tonight, 11:59 p.m. specific time, 3 a.m. Eastern. Use code 0DayJ if you want to take advantage of it and support the channel. If not, don't sweat it. We're cool no matter what. All right? All right. Fuck, man. I could have gotten another payout right in this area. Right? That right there. What are you going to do? What are you going to do? Is it bouncing off of this shit now? I fucking hate all-time highs. I was expecting some sort of fucking headline. Oh, Iran peace hopes hold. Blah, blah, blah. Nothing new. Oh, fuck. $15 points, 16 points. Uh, 111. Wow, that was 55 points. That was a 55-point drop. I got none of it. I'm so fucking annoyed about that. The thing about it is like, yeah, obviously I want to take trades when I'm on with you guys, but I'm not just gonna take fucking trades just to take a trade. I'm sorry. Especially when I'm trading funded accounts. If it was an eval, I'd be a little bit more fucking aggressive. A lot more aggressive. These are funded. The accounts I wanted to trade, the accounts I was hoping to take a trade on are fucking intraday trailing accounts. So, you know, it is what it is. I'm so pissed about my fucking trade days, though. Shit ain't fucking moving. Fuck me, man. It's crazy how like I'm getting a payout, but I'm still fucking annoyed. So I did do 1,001.3 plus 493.95 plus 504 plus 540. 2,539.25, and I'm gonna request 618. 618 times 0.9. 500. It'll be 556. So after literally going almost 6 weeks without getting a payout, I've gotten 3,000 basically since last Thursday. 3,095. I'll take it. I'll fucking take it. Is this going up here? It bounced off the 5-minute 21. And just it wicked below the 786 with this being the low. Whatever. Shit is moving so fucking slow and annoyingly. What up, Ree? Zayback. What up, Drew? Florida boss man, what's good? It's just you would think full tilt. I don't know. 23K is a lot. What is that? It's a little it's 20-something%. Michael Gianos. What up? Yeah, Lucid is 50% off for 2 uses. I already used those. But if you put my code in 0DayJ and you haven't, you can get 50% off any type of Lucid account. Straight to funded, eval, any size, whatever you want. Flex, Pro, whatever. 50% off, good for 2 uses. I think My Fund the Futures is anywhere from 20 to 40% or 50% if you're a new user. I don't fucking know. Their shit just, they're constantly changing their promotions. But put my code in when you're going to grab an account and you might get a discount. I'm pretty sure the Rapids are 20% off. They were doing a deal for 40% off 25K Rapids. That's how I ended up with a funded 25K Rapid. They had a promotion. It was like $65. This is fucking annoying. Yeah. How is everything better than before the war? No, it's not. Nothing's better than before the war. I fucking paid. What did I pay for gas? Good thing I had 50 cents off because I had points. Otherwise, it would have cost me $5.54 for 91 octane per gallon. $5.55. Marcos, I believe they do, but I'm not 100% sure. I'm not 100% sure. You got to hit up support and ask them. You know what they'll do, though? Marcos, they'll send you an email ahead of time. They'll say, hey, your Rapid plan, your Rapid subscription is going to review, and this is how much, not review. Your Rapid plan is going to renew, and this is how much it's going to renew for. So you'll get a heads up from them via email. What up, JK? Full tilt. I don't know, bro. Your guess, if I knew, I probably wouldn't be on the stream with you guys. See, look, I was wondering when this was gonna happen. Uh-oh. Is it gonna bounce off of this shit? Nope. Ugh. Breaking this tan line too? Gas in Cali. What kind of premium do you guys have? Do you have 93 or do you have 91? Because all I have here is 87 and 91. Hey, asshats. GCTA, thanks, man. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. $6.45 for 91. That's fucking crazy. That's absolute insanity. All right. Broke the tan line. Retesting. Is it going to push higher? Yep. I was expecting something similar to happen on the other tan line. and it just kept going. Fuck. I missed it. I missed out on 4 points. Fuck. So fucking annoying. There, whatever. I'm just gonna get in a fucking trade just to get in one, I guess. Probably gonna regret this. Probably gonna regret it. We need Iran to fucking shoot at a fucking U.S. tanker. Let's see what happens here. Come on. Give us a headline that makes the market tank. Where the fuck is my financial juice fucking thing? The fuck? Watch this. You want to see a magic trick? That's not what I wanted to show you. Fuck! Well, whatever. Hold on a sec. All right. This is what I wanted to show you. I got 3 more accounts because I'm a fucking degenerate. I love buying new accounts. But I got to pay attention to this shit right here. What are we doing here? What's up, buddy? Damn. What a great spot for a fucking short. Is this a 7, 8, 6 pounds? Pretty much. What a fucking idiot. Of course it's going to pump now. See, look, it broke the fucking tan line and now it didn't matter. It's riding up it. Let's fucking add some more right here. Is it going to hold here? Well, can't wait to fuck these accounts up. Was there news? Huh. Interesting. I wonder if that tan line holds. Probably not, because I'm in. It's going to go the other way. Let's see what happens here. I'm probably going to get fucked. I'm not going to let the accounts blow, but I feel like I'm going to get fucked. I feel the fucking coming. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. Who the fuck knows? Clinvale, what up? If you reset a pro, I think you could reset your existing pros. Christine, yeah, these are funded. They're pros. You know how you know a Take Profit Trader is a funded account? It'll say pro. It'll say pro on it. Yeah, J-Min, yep. Yeah, I don't think it affects it. It's basically when you activate that 10 per 30 days is active pro activations. Resets are not included in that. That's expensive though. If you start resetting pro accounts, is fucking expensive. That adds up. What up, Newts? No, it doesn't. From what I understand, it doesn't. No. A 50K is $649. A 150K is $1,500. 25K is what? $450? Some shit like that. You better be fucking right when you fucking start trading those accounts again. I see people do it all the time and it works out for them, but I also see people do it a lot and it doesn't work out. Or you don't see people who do it a lot because they won't fucking talk about it. Unless they're, unless they could, unless they're not afraid to fucking talk about the shit that they do. We're super open in our Discord. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know what's gonna happen here. I don't like this fucking shit. This was my chance to. I don't know. We'll see. I have a feeling it's gonna keep riding up this fucking tan line. Fucking cocksucker, bro. Why am I even fucking with these accounts at this time of day? I just never fucking learn. I showed fucking real restraint on the My Funded Futures. I fucked myself by not getting in because I could have fucking. I literally said, if it breaks the tan line, it's gonna drop more, and I fucking didn't fucking trade. So it breaks this tan line, and what's it doing now? It's riding up it. Fucking dummy. Of course, I would find a way to fuck myself. Of fucking course. Carbonite, I feel you. Simplistic, what's up? TTA. Well, even just people, even not just YouTubers, I'm just saying people in general. Because if you fucking drop 1,500 on to reset a 150K and you fucking blow it, it's kind of embarrassing. I don't blame someone for not wanting to talk about it. I don't blame anyone who doesn't want to fucking admit that shit. I don't buy resets. I don't buy pro resets. I've done it in the past. I think the only time I've done it was when they did they had like that 50% off pro reset promotion. They haven't really ran that promotion in a while because it's not that good. But that's like the only time I've done it. And I blew the account. Especially now, right now at 50% off. 50% off, no activation fee. $85 for a 50K. $85 fucking dollars for a 50K. Versus you could get 5. You can get fucking, let's see, 649 divided by 85. You could get 7 fucking accounts. 85 times 7, 595. 595 plus 75. You could literally get 7 50K evals for the same price as resetting, for less than the same price as resetting 1 pro. You don't think you could pass 1? You could probably pass 3 or 4 or 5 and not have to pay an activation fee right now. Even if they go back to 40%, you're talking $102 for a 50K. You could get fucking 6 of those. DS, yeah, you got lucky, man. You got lucky. I mean, it does pay off for a lot of people. I've seen it, but I would bet money that it pays off for a very small percentage of people. We just hear about it because we like to share, we all like to, especially if you're in a Discord and everybody's fucking open about their fucking journey. So we hear about it, but we hear a lot more about the good shit than the bad shit. Some people only share the good shit and not the bad shit. A lot of people. Big tick. Yeah, you could still reset a pro. Yep. Cajun. Well, that's where, I don't know if they will. You know why? Because it is ending today, Clinvale. It's ending at 12. It's ending at 11:59 p.m. specific time. 50% off, no activation fee with the best fucking code 0DayJ. 2:59 a.m. Eastern, 11:59 p.m. specific time. But what was I saying? I fucking forgot. Oh, that's when you go Pro Plus, if you get a live account with them, that's when it's end of day trailing. So that's that's their unique selling proposition. So I don't expect them to ever do it. The trailing drawdown pays for pro payouts. Yeah. They got to make their money somewhere, especially when they got rid of the daily loss limit. They used to have, for anyone who's been around long enough, you guys remember, but people who haven't been around that long, going into the year 2025, oh shit, I'm fucking green. Going into the year 2025, going up until January of 2025, if you hit the daily loss limit on a take profit trader account, you lost it. It was gone forever. And they got rid of that. You know how much money that made them? I just don't know what made them more money, that or just the fact that now a ton of people were buying accounts because they got rid of it. But that was a good, that was one of their ways, right? That's how these prop firms survive. They put shit in place to offset the cost of paying people out. Yeah, I'm watching it. Yeah, once you get over the buffer, yeah, that's the trick. Getting over the buffer is the hard part. Once you're over the buffer, you're good. You go into static drawdown. Getting there is the tough part, especially with intraday trailing. You just got to be careful. Let's see if this keeps fucking pushing down. I'm running out of time anyway. Let's see if I can get more than $35 fucking dollars. John Q, I'm not really sure. The one thing you made $1,500 in one day? The one thing I know about the rule of thumb I go by with Bullinox is you always want to make a day that counts as a trading day be at least 20% of your best day. So if you did $1,000 in one day, you want to always have your other days be at least $200 if you want them to count as trading days. That's a good rule of thumb. Is this going to keep dropping? Can we please keep dropping? Is that it? Is that all I get? No? Yeah? U.S. has trade challenges with Canada. Only Canada and China retaliated against Trump's tariffs. U.S. MCA negotiates. We'll talk about changing the rules of origin and trace, enhance U.S. content. U.S. is concerned about the U.S. trade deficit with Mexico. Blah, blah, blah. Oh, you fucker. I was up $80 more. You know how I know? Because of my fucking distance to drawdown. Well, it tells you here, too. Come on. Maybe more. I don't know. Let's see. Drop that shit. Clear this fucking level. Let's go. Clear it. Please. Give me 100 points down. Let's see what the next candle brings us. You see, guys? Well, according to what? GCTA Kalshi? Come on, drop it. Yeah, let's go. Keep going. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, man, wasn't it worth waiting for me to get into a trade? Worth the wait. Hey, did Ron fade me? Where's Ron? He said he was going to fade me. I know he was joking, but maybe he wasn't. Hope nobody fucking faded me. I love when people talk shit about fading me and then it fucking blows up in their face. And I don't wish any ill will on anybody, but if you want to talk shit, I mean, now you got to you made your bed. Now you got to lay in it. Fucking come clean and be honest. Let's go. Who fucking faded me? Who fucking faded me? Anybody? Didn't think so. Is it going to clear that? It might come up and take me out and then go lower. Oh, do it now. Oh, I forgot I have the orders down here. Oh, yeah. Is that it? That might be it. I don't know. Maybe not. Tyler. I'm only talking shit because, people like to talk shit. And it's hard to tell if people are serious or not. I know everything that guy says is mostly fucking around, but I don't know. He was calling out trades and shit. He told me to go long. He said to go long, like right around here. He said go long. That was fucking 30 points ago. That's why I don't listen to anybody in the fucking chat. Sorry, no offense to anyone. No offense to anyone. I live and die by my own fucking trades. Look at this shit go. Not a bad start to 5 funded take profit trader accounts, huh? The fucking tan lines. You see, guys, also rejected off of 786 here. Oh my fucking God, yeah. This might be the end of the road, though. I don't know. You got the bottom of this fucking shit right here. What a fucking start to these accounts. Too bad I wasn't full ported. I'd be over the buffer. But obviously, we're not, we don't want to do that. This might be the end of the road here. I'll take it, though, because, I'm also intraday trailing. I'm trailing intraday. So it's going to work against me from the high point unless I get taken out at my take profit. You know what I mean? Which I don't have one. I have a trailing stop. But this is fine. This is a good spot. This is, we'll see. If it could get low, if it could break this, which it just did, and it bounced, see? And this. I have a feeling I'm going to get taken out here, and then it's going to go lower, but I'm okay with it. Like, nice fucking, this is how you want to start off a fucking Take Profit Trader Pro account. Will it go down lower? I guess I'm not going to get to trade my trade days, but whatever. That's fine. I wanted to at least get a flip day in, but I don't have time. By the time I set up the group and just do a quick flip, it's not going to matter. Oh my God. Flush it. What a fucking trade. What a fucking trade. You see, guys? That's it. That's the end of it. Oh, no. It's still going. I thought I was going to get stopped out. It cleared that shit. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Is it going for the VWAP? The fucking VWAP? Oh, my. Oh, my. Oh, my. Let's fucking draw a happy little Fibonacci here. All right. There's the 707. Here's the 786. I don't know. This might be, yeah. What? I lost $205 on that? Damn. Whatever. Nice trade. I was up 1,175 at the peak. You see, guys? You see, guys? You see, guys? I think it's going to go lower. Maybe not. Nah, not a day one payout. If I was full ported, I would have got a day one payout because I would have been in 6, but that's just stupid. That's just stupid. Not stupid, but not advised. I don't advise that. I don't know. I think we're going to go lower. But this is not a bad spot for a bounce either. So, and anything could happen in the next. I have 3 minutes to trade. Rick, yeah. Where's my coach? Where's my coach at? Everybody comes here to laugh at me. I don't provide any value. What kind of value did you get out of this trade? Not panicking? Oh, see, I knew it. I fucking knew it. 41.75. It went down 10 more points. That could have been another $400, but whatever. Chris, what up? Nah, it's too late. Trade day's cutoff is at 4:50. I missed it. Trade day's cutoff is at 10 minutes, at the 10-minute mark before the market closes. I think it drops lower. It could bounce here, actually. I don't know. Fuck that. I'm done. Yeah, Chris, you're good, bro. It's too easy, right, G-Matt? Miss Goody. Great fucking trade. It was a great fucking trade. Thank you, guys. How many days you need for trade day? On an eval, minimum of 5. Minimum 5 trading days. Look, see? It did bounce. See, almost the 786, but the 707. But now we got let me get rid of all this shit. That was a nice fucking drop. It's too fucking easy. Does it hold? Does it go? Does it get through this fucking cuck zone and this cuck zone? Maybe. I can see it rejecting off of this right here. This lower cuck zone area is the top of these two cuck zones. You see, guys? I'll be right back. Chat. I'll be right back, all right? But see, this is why intraday trailing, like, look. I mean, if it just popped back up and took me out, I was trailing tight. I wasn't trailing tight enough, but I could live with $1,750 a drawdown. I'll be right back. Sorry, chat. Stock cars and bets. Great Dane, what up? Sean, what's good? Yeah, too bad we're out of. Yeah, that is a nice Head and Shoulders. Guy needs a chiropractor though. The best fucking code. That's right. Remember, Take Profit Trader, 50% off, no activation. Trent, what up, Trent? 50% off, no activation fee ends tonight, 11:59 p.m. specific time, through 2:59 a.m. Eastern time. But yeah, stock cars and bets. Yeah, isn't that crazy? I mean, this is pretty much how I was trading for the most part during my crazy run. So what the fuck happened in the last fucking 2 months? Or almost 3 months, if you really think about it. I didn't trade that good, and I didn't trade good in March either. I traded awful in April, and I traded equally as awful in fucking most of May until last week. So I don't know. I'll take this though. Happy little fucking. I wish I got another $400, but it's okay. I wish I trailed a little tighter, but what are you gonna do? 35. Yeah, it was five points. So it was $200. Yup, stock cards and bets. It is. It was awful. Awful fucking awful little detour I went on, that's for sure. I trade. No, you don't get liquidated now. You don't get liquidated. They changed the rules. So it's earlier. The cutoff is earlier. The cutoff would take profit trader used to let you go until the very end. But if you were still in a trade, you would lose your account. It was an automatic fucking breach of your account. No questions asked. They don't give a fuck. If you thought you were done trading after the open, you got your money, but you forgot to but you forgot you had an order open and it got filled and you were fucking gone for the day and you were in a trade in a take profit trader account, that shit was gone. You lost it. Up until about 2 weeks ago, they got rid of that rule and they made the cutoff 4:55. So 5 minutes to 5 p.m. 5 minutes to when the market is closed, when futures close, you will get liquidated from your take profit trader accounts, but you will not lose them. Just another reason why they're fucking great. They're the fucking best. Yeah, stock cards and bets for real, man. Roberto Baca, you're eligible for your first ever payout. Is that what you're saying? Fuck yeah, man. I think that's what you're saying, bro. Hey, pound that confetti like roast beef. Great Dane, you're $95 from your second payout this week. That's fucking great, bro. Good shit. Roberto, that's awesome. Hey, pound that confetti like roast beef for Roberto. And hey, Great Dane, are you talking about your second ever payout? Yeah, John. Yeah, it's happened to me before too. But I bet you learned. I bet you learned. Great job, Roberto. Great fucking job, man. Great fucking job. We love to see it. We love to see it. I really hope nobody faded me on that fucking trade. Of course, it didn't look good in the beginning, but I liked the area that I added. I like the area that I got in originally too. When does parlay? In an hour. Market reopens in an hour. Stock cards and bets. I think he did it with Apex. He said with Apex. I got to activate my Bullinox accounts. I have 3 Bullinox accounts just waiting to be activated I passed. But I'll take this. I'll take this. I fucked up my trade day accounts, and I did blow one of my rapid accounts, but I resuscitated my builder plan. Oh, by the way, if you guys aren't hanging out in the best fucking community on these prop firm streets, here's the link. It's free. You're invited. For now, it's free. It's free for now. Yeah, JK. I think they're just gonna go back to 40% off. They're like staple. Their standard pricing essentially has been 40% off with no activation fee, and then they did this 2.5 week long flash sale at 50% off with no activation fee because they were changing their pricing on their resets. I think they'll go back to 40, but we'll see. I haven't heard anything. Yeah, Micron fucking I didn't see that coming. Fucking Micron at 865. What the fuck? 895, sorry. That's nuts. Hold on. Sorry, I had to send a text in a group chat I'm in. But yeah, I'll take this. I'll take this. I'm getting another payout. I'll hang out for another 7 or 8 minutes or whatever. See if I can request today. I don't know if it's gonna. Well, I'm gonna be able to request today. I just don't know if it's gonna let me request in the next 8 minutes. It might make me wait until later on, but we'll see. We shall see. Clintonville, any giveaway today? No. Sorry. I'm waiting on my Apex Live account so I could make No Name fucking hit the super chat. That was the bet. I mean, I'll do a giveaway before that, but not today. I don't really have time. Although I'm gonna hang out for the next 5 minutes to see if I can request a payout, but with my funded futures, but still. Shit could take 10 minutes. I want to get off in 6 or 7. I gotta pee so fucking bad. So what account is that? 220? No, it's 226. 226. I might not be able to request until a couple hours, 2 or 3 hours from now. Oh, man. Oh, here we go. Wait. Oh, shit. Look, I can request. Look at that. Check, check, check. All right, we're going to request a payout. Hey, chat. We're going to request a payout, guys. Hey, 0 Day J here. Hope all is well. Going to request a payout in my funded futures. I got over the buffer. And then I took it to a fucking payout. Woo! Yeah, I got over the buffer and I went another 500, which is the minimum. You have to get 500 over the buffer on these rapid plans. I did it today. I had a little bit of head start the other day, but I got $2,182 today. I was actually up as much as $2,803, but you know, I was trailing tight. I gave some of it back, but whatever. We're requesting money. I'm going to request $618 after fees. It'll be what, 618 times 0.90 because my fund of futures takes out 90, 556. And I've got 4. This is my first with this Rapid account, but on these, on 225, I got 2, which on 225 and 227, I got day 1 payouts on Thursday, and then I got another payout on Friday. Unfortunately, 225 is no longer with us. I did blow it last night. However, I am requesting a payout right now with 226. So it'll put me over $3,000 in less than a week, which is great considering I had a really rough time. I went on a stretch of almost 6 weeks without getting a payout after going on a run where I did $120,000 in 3 months, December, January, and February. March was a wash, April was a shit show, and May was turning into a shit show. But now I feel like I'm back on the right track. So we're going to hit request payout right here. It tells me I can request as much as $618.36. I'll leave the 36 cents in there to help with my drawdown. And I'm going to say request payout. And within like a minute or two or less than that, I'm going to get approved and the money's going to get sent to my Rise account. Boom. So there it is. 556. Payment already fucking sent. Payment already sent. 556. I don't have my account numbers like some other YouTubers you might be coming across, but there it is. Let me hide my screen. I'm going to check my email. I don't want to, you guys don't need to see all of my emails I get. So 1 sec. I'm going to hide my screen right now as we speak. All right, chat. But there it is. Another fucking payout. I'm back on the right track. Habitual payouts have returned. I am a habitual payout receiver. Look. Request. Look at that. All right, check this out. I'm gonna turn my screen sharing back on, chat. And then I'm gonna go into my Gmail, and there it is. You see right here, your request has been paid. Your request has been received, literally all within seconds of each other. Your request has been received. Your request has been approved. Your request has been paid. It's already in my Rise account, or it's if it's not in my Rise account, it's on the way. Let's see. You just got paid on Rise, so it didn't hit my Rise account yet. These are the other two payouts from each account, so it's 4. So the Rise will come. It'll hit my Rise within a couple of minutes. You see, guys? So there you have it. That's how you request a payout with My Fund the Futures, and they pay fast as fuck. Let's try again. Let's see if the Rise hits yet. Not yet. Any minute now, though. But whatever. Anyway. Oh. With that said, I don't know. I think what is My Fund the Futures doing? If you put in my code 0DayJ, you could get anywhere from 20% off to 50% off, depending on the plan and what promotion they're running right now. 20% off rapid resets. They did have 40% off the 25K rapids, which is what I got paid on the other day with this one. 227 is a rapid plan. I got 2 payouts in a row. I tried to get another one today, but it didn't work out. I still have the account, obviously, but that's besides the point. But I know the rapids, you could get 20% off resets on rapids if you blow them. The Bob the Builder plan might be 40% off. That's what this one is. I think you get 40% off of those. And depending on which plan you choose, because you could choose with $2,000 a drawdown or $1,500 a drawdown. You could get them for as little as $75. I think if you put in the code 0DayJ. I'm not sure what you save on flexes. They're kind of like the forgotten plan. Pro plans are tricky as well. You got to wait a while to get paid, but they might be the best in terms of how much you could get paid. But if you want to grab a My Fund the Futures account and you want to support the channel, put in the best fucking code 0DayJ. Just put it in and see what you save. Because I don't know what the current promotion is because they come and go. The last promotion was 40% off a 25K rapid. You could get them for $65 all in, no activation fee. And I think the Builder plan still is 40% off, but I'm not 100% sure. But anyway, Hope you guys got some value out of me requesting right there. I'm going to bounce. Enjoy the rest of your day. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you soon. Enjoy the rest of your night. I'll be streaming tomorrow for Power Hour. I'll try to get on a little earlier. I'll do my best. But I won't be streaming at night until after my mom leaves. My mom leaves tomorrow. So tomorrow morning. And then I'll be back to streaming at night 2 or 3 days a week, all right? Anyway, guys, let me see if anybody has anything to say in the chat. Vincenzo, hey, thanks, guys. Thank you, guys. Appreciate it. Evan Art, what up? Markel. No, it's my funded futures, not trade iffy. Use their robot voice. But anyway, guys, thank you so much. Yeah, I'm sorry, Clinvale. It's the Builder Plan, not the Bob the Builder Plan. I'm so used to saying it. I call it the Bob the Builder Plan. It's called the Builder Plan. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys soon. Thank you so much for watching. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, smash that like button for Trevor fucking LeConte, all right? I'll see you guys soon. Enjoy the rest of your